I spent an embarrassing amount of time on this one. 3 straight days reading spec sheets, cross-referencing Home Depot listings, and going down a rabbit hole of FTC enforcement actions against pressure washer companies. And what I found completely changed how I think about buying these machines. Walk into any Home Depot right now and look at the pressure washer aisle. Every single box has a giant number screaming at you, whether it's 2,000 PSI or 3,000 or 3,400. The entire aisle is designed to make you think bigger. PSI equals better cleaning. But that number is only half the equation, and the half they're hiding from you is the one that actually determines how fast you clean your driveway. The real formula is dead simple. You take the PSIs and multiply it by the GPM, which stands for gallons per minute. That gives you something called cleaning units. PSI is how hard the water hits the concrete. GPM is how much water is actually rinsing the dirt away. You need both. A garden hose with a thumb over the end has decent pressure but almost no flow, which is why it takes forever to rinse anything. So when a machine advertises 3,000 pounds per square inch, but only pushes 1.1 gallons per minute, you're getting 3,300 cleaning units. Meanwhile, a different machine at 2,900 PSI with 2.5 gallons per minute delivers 7,250 cleaning units, more than double the cleaning speed. And here's the kicker. That second machine costs less. I'll tell you exactly which one in a minute. But the PSI deception goes deeper than just misleading math. The fine print on these boxes says max PSI and max GPM, but those two numbers never happen at the same time. When pressure peaks, flow drops. When flow peaks, pressure drops. You never get both maximums simultaneously. Pro Tool Reviews tested the Sun Joe SPX 3000 and found it delivered about 1,450 pounds per square inch and 1.24 gallons per minute during real use, roughly 29% below what the box says. And this isn't just some reviewer's opinion. The BBB's National Advertising Division formally investigated Sun Joe's claims and ruled they were misleading. Then in January of 2026, the same board went after Westinghouse for similar inflated claims. Westinghouse refused to comply, so they got referred to the FTC for enforcement. This is an actual federal investigation now. So with all of that in mind, here are the only 6 pressure washers at Home Depot that are actually worth your money in 2026, plus one you should absolutely leave on the shelf. Number 6, the Ryobi RY, 142022 at $199. This is where smart shopping starts for anyone who doesn't want to deal with gasoline and oil changes. It delivers 2,000 PSI at 1.2 gallons per minute for 2,400 cleaning units, and those numbers are PWMA certified, meaning an independent lab verified them. No inflated max nonsense. It weighs 29 pounds, fits in a closet, and has over 3,600 reviews on Home Depot at 4.4 stars. For washing your car, cleaning patio furniture, and hitting the deck twice a year, this is the machine. I personally think this is the most overlooked sweet spot in the entire aisle because everyone walks right past it, chasing bigger PSI numbers on the more expensive electrics. Don't do that. Number 5. The Ryobi RY 143011 at $429. This is the first corded electric pressure washer to legitimately hit 3,000 PSI with PWMA certification, and Pro Tool Reviews named it their best electric pressure washer. The brushless motor outlasts standard brushed motors by years, since there are no carbon brushes to wear down. You also get a 35-foot hose instead of the stubby 20-footers on cheaper models, which means less dragging the machine around your property. The catch is the 1.1 gallons per minute flow rate, which puts it at 3,300 cleaning units. Solid for electric, but if you want real cleaning speed, the next picks blow this away. Number 4. The Ryobi 40-volt HP Whisper Series at $499 tool only. If you're already in the Ryobi 40-volt battery ecosystem with a lawn mower, leaf blower, or string trimmer, this is the only cordless pressure washer at Home Depot that actually qualifies as a real pressure washer. 2,000 pounds per square inch at 1.2 gallons per minute. It's whisper quiet compared to gas, and the self-priming feature lets you draw from a bucket when there's no hose bib nearby. I think this is perfect for mobile detailers or anyone who hates dragging extension cords and hoses across their yard. The reality check is battery life. You get about 20 minutes on high with dual 6 ampere-hour batteries, and if you don't already own those batteries, you're looking at another $229 to $449 on top. Now this is where things get interesting, because the next 3 picks are where the real value lives, and it's not even close. Number 3. The Ryobi RY 802925 at $329. I genuinely believe this is the best value in the entire store. At 2,900 PSI and 2.5 gallons per minute, this thing produces 7,250 cleaning units. That is triple the cleaning speed of the $199 electric we just talked about for only $130 more. Read that again. Triple the cleaning speed for $130. Over 2,000 Home Depot reviews at 4.3 stars. The 212 cubic centimeters engine starts reliably, the 12-inch never flat wheels roll over any surface, and it'll chew through a 2-car driveway in about 20 minutes with a surface cleaner attachment. The axial cam pump is rated for 500 to 800 hours, which for the homeowner who uses it 10 to 15 times a year translates to decades. This is the pick for 90% of people watching this video. If you're finding this helpful, subscribe. I cover outdoor power equipment every single week, so you never waste money in these aisles again. Number 2. The Simpson Power Shot PS3228-S at around $600. This is where we cross from consumer grade into equipment that professionals actually trust. The Honda GX 200 engine is basically the Toyota Camry of small engines. It just runs. I've talked to small engine mechanics who say they almost never see a GX 200 come in for serious repair. Pair that with the AAA industrial triplex pump and you have a machine rated for over 5,000 hours of use. For context, the Ryobi at number 3 has an axial cam pump rated for maybe 800 hours. When the triplex pump eventually needs service, you rebuild it with a $30 seal kit instead of throwing the whole machine away. Simpson also makes the pumps for DEWALT's gas pressure washers, so buying Simpson means buying from the actual source. At 3,300 PSY and 2.5 GPM for 8,250 cleaning units with CETA certification, this is the machine you buy once and hand down to your kids. Warranty backs it up. 3 years on the engine, 5 on the pump, 10 on the frame. If this video ended right here and you just bought the PS3228, you'd be set for life. But there's one more pick, and it's for a very specific type of buyer. Number 1. The Simpson Power Shot PS4240 at around $1,200. I debated whether to even include this because for most homeowners, the PS3228 at number 2 does everything you need. But if you want one machine that handles literally anything, the front porch, the 3-car driveway, the pool deck, the retaining wall, the commercial property you manage on weekends, this is it. The Honda GX 390 engine is legendary in commercial applications. A AA triplex pump with ceramic pistons. 4,200 pounds per square inch at 4.0 gallons per minute for 16,800 cleaning units. That's roughly 7 times the cleaning power of the best electric at Home Depot. The 50-foot steel-braided hose means you park this thing once and reach your entire property. It powers 18 to 20-inch surface cleaners effortlessly. At 136 pounds, it's a beast to load, so grab a neighbor. Over 1,400 reviews at 4.3 stars, made in the USA, CETA certified. If you're a small lawn care operator looking to add pressure washing as a service, this is the entry point that won't embarrass you on a job site. Now, the one to avoid, the Sunjoe SPX 3000. I mentioned this earlier, but it deserves its own moment because this machine is the poster child for everything wrong with pressure washer marketing. It advertises 2,030 pounds per square inch and 1.76 gallons per minute. Actual tested output? About 1,450 pounds per square inch and 1.24 gallons per minute. The BBB formally ruled those claims misleading. But beyond the spec sheet problems, the reliability complaints are brutal. Leave water sitting in the pump between uses, and the internal gaskets corrode. Users report machines dying after a single season. The warranty is only 2 years, and Sunjo has a reputation for denying claims on units purchased from what they call unauthorized sellers, which sometimes includes major retailers. I spent an hour reading forum posts from owners, and the recurring theme was people describing having to physically bang the machine to unstick the pressure switch. At any price, that's a hard pass. So there it is. 6 machines worth buying and 1 to leave on the shelf. Remember the formula. PSI times GPM equals cleaning units. That one calculation cuts through every bit of marketing noise in the aisle.